Okay, let's keep going here. Where we're, oh yeah, we did these windows. Now we're around to this side. We'll zoom in. Okay, so we want a window on this side. I think I put another high window. Let's have a look. Yeah, I did. Okay. I put it probably 2 feet. 1'9". Why did I do that? 1'6", 1'3". Okay. Well, I don't know why I put it there. 3010. Now that I'm looking at it, I would probably put it smack in the middle there. In fact, I think that's what I'll do on ours. Okay, so back to tutorial. I'm just going to, I mean, you can draw a line from here to here. Construction line. That'll give you the center. F8 to there. Okay, let's put in a 3 foot, 1 foot. Okay, I think that's what we did. Offset 18. Half of 3 feet, 36. Okay, now we can get rid of the construction line, and we can get rid of that line, and we can trim. And put a line in here. And match properties. And match properties. Okay, this window, basically it's a bedroom, and so I'm going to make a 4 foot by 3 foot. So I'm going to offset 24. You know what? We can do something else here. Okay, we can just copy this 4 by 3 from the center there, and put it right on the center there, and then trim. And erase. Okay, that takes care of that window. We've already got that one, and that's it for now. Okay, we just got to label them. I'm just going to copy this, put it down here, ED it, edit it. So this was a 4 wide, 4030 high, 3 feet high. Okay, I'm just going to copy. This time I'm going to do it multiple. Okay, so that's a 403 high, and this is, we'll edit it, ED, and we'll go 30, 1 high. Okay, and then we'll copy that straight across. Zoom in, move it out a bit. And we'll call it a 4 wide, 1 high. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Move this one up to right about there. And then copy that there. ED it. Okay, so these were 3 feet wide by 5 feet high. Okay. And copy that little puppy right there. Okay, copy. This was a 4030. Let's steal that one. F8's off, right to the center. I'm just going to move it out a bit. Okay, the door. I want some text going the other way, so I'm just going to copy that. And we'll put it, move. Okay, doors are always 6'8", 80 inches high, so ED 6'8". Actually, they could be 8 foot doors, but in this case they're not. We only have an 8 foot high ceiling. Okay, have we gone around the whole house? Yeah, we've done the outside. Let's do the inside ones. Copy. And we'll put something right there. ED. Okay, this was a 4.0 bifold. 4.0 6.8 door. Okay, let's copy. Put it right there. Highlight it. Click twice and go 45. Okay, and then ED, and these were 2.6, 2'6" by 6'8". Copy another one down to right there. Okay, I'm just going to copy some text going this way. Okay, ED. This was a 2.6, 6.8, 2.6, 6.8. Okay. I'll move it a little closer. Okay, copy again. And this was a 2.0 bifold door. Okay, copy. Put one right there. Okay, I need text going the other way. Copy that. ED 2.6. Okay. Easy one, we'll just copy that to there and copy that to there. Okay. Copy that one right to there, 2.6. Bring this one down. This is a 3 foot. Yeah, bifold. Speaking of pocket doors, when I was talking to my client, he thinks he's going to make these into pocket doors so he doesn't have swing. They're just going to slide into the wall. There's lots of room in there, so beware, that'll come up. We'll be changing that. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to steal this one right here. And pop it right there. So,
you want to come swimming?
I'm making a video.
You don't want to come swimming? 3 to 5? Okay, I'm picking carpet up. We're going to the stairs.
Okay, I think we're finished labeling all the doors. Okay, we got rooms to label here. And we're going to use a different text setup. Okay, so if you go format text style. Okay, so in this drawing, there's all sorts of different text styles. Okay, so architectural is the type that I've been using here now. We've been using 4-inch high. Okay, architectural 4. Okay, so I'm going to jump up a bit. I'm going to do architectural 6 for the room, just so they stand out a little bit better. Now these room sizes are going to go off. Okay, they don't go on a full working drawing. This is just a preliminary, and this is just for the customer or the client to figure out what he's going to do. So I'm just going to go to Penner and I'm going to steal it. Okay, so I'm going to copy. I've already done this once. Okay, well, here I'll show you something back in the tutorial. If I take some of this text, okay, and I properties, okay, property dialog box, and I click on it, and see how it's arch 4 here. Okay, well, we're just going to change it to arch 6. See how much bigger it is? Okay, and we could just ED it there, we could just say living room. Okay, then we would steal some 4-inch, so just copy, put it underneath, and we would get the dimension of the room. Okay, so my distance from here to well, inside totally is 27 feet, and so half of it will be living room, and so that would be 13'6". Okay, so we would go 13 foot slash 0, nope, not 0, 6 inches. Okay, space by space. Now we don't know what the other dimension is. Well, we took it. It was 12'6". 12 foot slash 6 inches. Okay, so that says that. For some reason this didn't go to living room. So LIVINGROO. Whoops. There, and we would move it into the center of the space that we're calling living room. Okay, and we would just go around and take measurements of every room, and so I've already done it, and so I'm just going to steal it. I'm going to copy that, WIC, walk-in closet, master bedroom's already sized, that one's already sized, and I can't copy from drawing to drawing, so I'm going to Control C. Okay, that, covered walkway we might as well take, covered breezeway, all of the text. You can see I've gone through the whole thing here. Okay, we'll set that up by ourselves. Okay, we'll take kitchen, walk-in closet, pantry, broom closet. What am I missing? This guy. Entrance. Oh, we got it. Okay, living room we've already done. Dining room. Covered deck with the size. Ouch. Okay. There. 42-inch high railing. 42-inch high railing. Might as well take garage while we're at it. Okay, but I want to get rid of, I'm going to press shift and get rid of that hatch. Okay, now I go back to my other drawing and paste, but I don't have a base point. Okay, Control V. Okay, so there they all are. Ensuite, linen. Okay. There we go. Pretty cool, eh? Okay. Now, distance. 12'8". Okay, I don't know where I got 12'6" from last time. Okay, so we've labeled everything. We can just clean it up. I'm going to trim right through I'm going to use this text and get rid of that. Walk-in closet, bedroom number 2, 10 foot 10 by 12. Okay, ensuite. I didn't label this. It's pretty obvious what it is. Okay. Covered breezeway. Garage. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's explode it first so it goes onto the right area. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. Let's undo. Undo explode. Yeah, so now it's all one. And let's just move it closer. Okay. I'm going to show that these stairs are going down. Okay. And so I'm going to rotate the symbol right here in the direction that I want it to go. And I'm going to move it somewhere about there. Okay. I'm going to extend it to there, and then I'm going to draw a line from there to there, and I'm going to match properties. Okay. I'm going to move and put it right, well, you put it right there, rotate it around. Whoop. Okay, now try rotating without clicking on anything. F8's on. Okay, move it so it's right handy to that line and make it say down 18 risers. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to trim. There. That looks good. Okay. I'll get a little bit of text here. And I'll ED it to say D/W dishwasher. And move it so it's in that location. Okay, fridge, stove, everything is self-explanatory. We'll put labels on it later for a preliminary drawing. That's fine. I don't want to be moving too much if she makes changes to her kitchen. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this garage, you can see what I've done here. He wants a garage that's 28 feet wide by 30 feet deep. Okay, so I'm not going to redraw the whole thing. I'm just going to steal it right off this drawing. Okay, and I'm going to steal, I'm just going to Control C. Okay, I'm going to take that text. I'm going to take all of this. Okay, here. That's a beam running across that trusses will sit across to give a covered breezeway. We'll just steal that. Okay, I'm going to steal all this get up. These are my 6x6 posts with beams on top of them. Okay, to give me a covered walkway. Okay, and okay, I think we've got everything we need. Now, I wish I could copy from a point here. Oh, let's take these. Okay, and we'll take these. And we'll take these. Okay. Probably can copy from a point. I've just never done it. Okay. How are we going to get this in the right spot? Well, we got that little line, so we'll move it again. Okay, I think we got everything we need. Okay, let's go back to the other drawing. And I'm just going to put it in way over here. Okay, look at that. So now I'm just going to move it. And I'm going to zoom in. And I'm going to pick this spot right here. Ooh. Yeah, no, I got it. And find that corresponding spot, which is right there. And boom, there's the whole garage. Everything's a get-go. Okay, now I'm going to erase this. Okay, hatching. Hatching helps a lot. It makes everything stand out. Okay, I'm going to draw a construction line across here. And one across there. Okay, I'm going to draw right down the middle of this. Okay, I'm going to get into B hatch, BH, and I'm going to pick a other predefined. I use this angle. Looks like tile. Okay, we'll scale it up about 10. We'll pick our points. Okay, so that got all of that. You can see the dotted line, and that got all of that. And we'll preview it. That looks a little tight. Let's go 20. That looks better. Looks sort of like tile. And I'll just go okay. Okay, I have a layer for hatch right there. Okay, it's colored yellow, but it's very light lines when it prints. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it on the hatch layer. Okay, I'm going to match properties. Okay, it's going to turn that line onto the hatch layer, that line onto the hatch layer. Oh, look what happened here. Okay, I have to erase it. Extend. Okay, pick that and extend that line over. B-hatch. Okay, now that and that and that. Select them all again. Okay, let's put it on the hatch layer. Where's hatch? There it is. Okay. I hatched this. We got two of them there. Let's get in here. I got some white lines in here. There we go. Okay, we can hatch all this. Okay, so B hatch. Only I'm going to use user defined. I'm going to go at 45 degrees and spacing 5 inches. And then I'm going to pick points. Gets that and gets that. Now it's going to go right inside that door, so we don't want to do that. So I'm going to excuse me. I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to draw a line right down the center of this open doorway. And then I'm going to get into B hatch. User. 45. 5-inch spacing. Okay. And again. And okay. And there it is. Put it all on the hatch layer. Oh, I'm going to sneeze again. Hang on a minute. Oh, maybe not. Hatch. Okay. I'm going to turn all my layers off. All. Okay. There's my construction lines that are left over. I'm just going to erase them. Okay. Now I'm going to turn layer on the wall layer. Okay. I'm going to turn on the railing. RL. Okay, so there's my deck. Okay. I'm going to turn on, what else am I going to turn on? Oh, posts. So on point load. Okay, so there's all my posts. I could turn roof on, but yeah, let's do it. Okay, so on roof. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of these. I don't need them. Oh, always happens when you make a video. Good enough. I'm going to make a block out of this. So B for block. I'm going to call it good old floor plan. Okay, I'm going to pick a point, let's say that corner of the house right there, and I'm going to select objects, these guys right here. Okay, I'm going to retain them in my drawing and press OK. Okay, now I'm going to insert, I for insert, and I'm going to go find, well, I could actually spell it, FLPL. Okay, okay, and there it is. And I'm just going to set it somewhere here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to draw my elevations. Okay. Let's get layers on. Layer on all. Okay. Let's get rid of this stuff that we don't need. We don't need this anymore. This we'll use. Let's just move it out of our way for now. Okay, I need ADC. I'm going to bring it in. And I have a setup here for this. Line of floor above, overhead door, which we've already done. Unexcavated, that's next. There's a setup here for elevation. You probably see it. Elevation setup. Okay, let's bring this in. Doesn't matter where we put it, and we'll get rid of ADC. Okay, I'm going to move it in the general location of where I'm going to draw an elevation. Okay, now I'm going to use construction lines, X lines, XL, and I'm going to make them vertical, up and down. Okay, so there they are, and I'm just going to click right on the corner of the house here, right on the corner of the house there, right on that side of a post, that side of a post. I can do the roof, okay, where that is. Then I'm going to do the garage. Okay. We can do the garage door openings. Okay. That's it. Okay, so that gives me all my vertical construction lines. I know where the house is going to be, how it's going to be laid out. So now all I have to do is my elevation. I'm just going to move this. Oh, that's all a block still. I'm going to explode it. I'm going to move this front elevation out there. Okay, this is fine. This is my foundation. So I'm going to move all of this so that my foundation, corner of my foundation, lines up with my house. Okay, at the same height. Okay, so what this says is that the top of my foundation is 8 inches above my finished grade. This is my finished grade. This heavy line that you see here, I'm saying that that's my lawn. That's my front lawn. Okay, that's my finished grade. You can just click on it and actually you can stretch. We can do this. And just bring it out more. Oh, we want ortho on. Okay, we can move this to somewhere where it makes more sense. There. Okay. So this, we're just going to drag it out past our project. Okay, past the garage. So that's the ground. It's all level according to us. Okay. So we know that our concrete, top of concrete, is at 8 inches, so that's this right there. Okay. Now, on top of our concrete are our floor joists, and so we know that they're 10 inches, so I'm going to offset 10 inches. Okay, and then we know that our walls on the main floor are 8 feet high, so we're going to go 8 feet. Okay, so that's the top of our wall where we start building our roof. Okay, so in an earlier tutorial we actually built a roof here. Okay, time's up. I gotta go blow my nose. I'll see you in the next tutorial.